Well, I meant to pause the video, but I ended up stopping it. So I put the girls in with Mom. So now we have Sugar and Pumpkin, the Balinese boys, so that we can really look at them. This is Sugar. Oops, sorry, I was looking at him and didn't realize that my video wasn't following him. It's Pumpkin God. You like feathers better? Oh my goodness, Pumpkin's wild. Oh my goodness. Get up here so that your Pumpkin doesn't get you. Yeah. You only have a minute because Pumpkin's going to come and I'll take it from you. Oh, here he comes. So that is Sugar.